Do you have a name or logo as part of your brand? Are you protecting it? Could you be infringing someone else's intellectual property in using it? If you aren't protecting it, you could find yourself being vulnerable to being sued and in danger of needing to rebrand. Could others register your brand name or similar logo first and leave you vulnerable? Legal costs for small to medium-sized companies can be $50,000 to $250,000. Proceeding to trial can cost between $375,000 to $2 million per case. These costs include legal fees, potential damages, and settlement expenses. Could your company afford to face the legal fees? To protect or defend your brand? Find out more at this workshop about the first steps in how to protect your brand and get smart about intellectual property. Can you afford not to take action? Don't steal my stuff and smart IP. See more at the website link.